Hello and welcome to 5220 Brittany Drive in Point Brittany, unit number 601. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1175 square feet. It's got an updated kitchen, nice clean white appliances, upgraded cabinets, and backsplash and tile work. And you'll see all throughout the unit that there's been updated tile throughout. We have a pretty big dining room area and opens up to the living room with views out over the Pinellas Bayway. And just to the right here is the master bedroom. Easily fits a king-size bed, and if you notice, looking out the windows, there is a water view from the master bedroom, and I'll show you the balcony here in a minute where there's a water view from there as well. The master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom that's been totally updated. New cabinets, sinks, and tile work, glass shower, all been updated, and a big walk-in master bedroom closet. It even goes around the corners pretty deep with some built-ins. Going back out to the living room, we can now see that the kitchen has a little pass-through window, kind of opens it up for entertaining. And then we have the second bathroom. This one has not been updated but still in good shape. It's got a tub shower combo. And then this is the second bedroom, still a good size, has a king-size bed, view out to the bayway from here, and it includes a pretty big walk-in closet as well. Got plenty of storage, have a linen closet outside the bathroom, and now we'll go out to the balcony. The furnishing is optional if you're interested. Got about a 10-foot balcony out here, and as you can see, looks out to the water. You can see the dock, and the pool's just right here. And then looking out, you can see the parking lot, and then the bayway, and even you can barely see the water on the other side there, the intercoastal. So this could be your view, 5220 Brittany Drive, Unit 601.